Drexler Ceramics Coating Kit is a complete package with all that you need to apply professional-grade ceramic coating to your car. Achieve a stunning high-gloss finish, keeping your car's paint hydrophobic and protected from UV rays and environmental contaminants. Our coating kit includes a 30 milliliter bottle of base coat, a 50 milliliter bottle of top coat spray, an application pad with suede cloths, and a microfiber cloth. After a thorough hand wash, completely clean and degrease your vehicle's body before application. If your paint has swirls or scratches, consider paint correction before application. We also recommend applying the coating in a cool and dry environment with good lighting. Apply the ceramic coating panel by panel. Hood, fender, doors, bumpers, trunk, roof, side skirts. Use the same quantity of product on each area for a uniform result. Place the suede cloth on the application pad. Drip 7 to 10 drops of base coat solution on the pad. Apply the coating with a cross-hatched pattern, horizontally, then vertically, or vice versa. This is to make sure the product is applied uniformly everywhere. Wait 45 seconds to 1 minute for the product to flash before removing. We recommend using 2 microfiber cloths. The first cloth to remove excess coating and the second cloth for finishing. Wipe the excess of base coat with the first microfiber cloth. Take the second microfiber cloth to remove remaining residue, leaving a smooth and shiny surface. Gently remove any streaks or smudges until the surface looks perfect. Repeat these steps on the rest of the vehicle, working panel by panel, keeping in mind the coating's flashing time. Base coat can also be applied on black plastics using the same process. There's no need to wipe off the excess coating, just make sure the product is spread uniformly. Curing time for base coat will take between 2 and 4 hours, depending on the temperature of your coating environment. The longer you let base coat cure, the better. Base coat's hardening process is directly correlated with temperature and humidity, so curing times may vary. Top coat must be applied when all base coat layers are dry. It's the final step in the ceramic coating process. As with base coat, work panel by panel. Shake well before using. Use a few sprays per panel. A little goes a long way. Wipe the surface immediately with a dry microfiber cloth until achieving a smooth and glossy finish. Congratulations! You now have a ceramic coated car with durable protection and exceptional shine. For lasting results, avoid water on treated surfaces for the first 24 hours and refrain from washing your car for a full week. If you still have top coat left, you can use it for maintenance every 6 months.